Fire. It may just save your life. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Skeeter here and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful evening here in New York. It's Friday night. I just got back from work and my better half is coming up over there and she's going to barbecue some chicken and we're going to eat some dinner. And I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about my trip in South Carolina. One thing specific that I wanted to discuss with you guys, and that is that last Saturday I had the unbelievable honor of, for the second time in about 2 months, meeting with and breaking bread with none other than Such OO and his daughter Sarah Mack. For those of you that don't know Such, he's got 1.3 million subscribers on YouTube and he's got a phenomenal firearms channel. But he's got another channel called SensiblePreppers that it's got about 750,000 subscribers, and there's a lot of great information there, and I would highly recommend that you guys go over there and subscribe to that channel also. Well, while we were having dinner, we were talking about a whole bunch of stuff, and one of the topics that came up was fire. So that night I went and watched one of his SensiblePrepper videos on fire and how important it is, whether it's for cooking, to keep warm. There's a million reasons why you may need to use fire in a natural disaster, whether you have a power outage or many, many other reasons. So I used the link that he had on that video and got 20% off, and I placed an order from Exotac for stuff that I would have never thought to buy. I'm glad I did. Let's unpack that box. Let me show you what's in it, and I'll show you what I bought. We'll be right back. Alright, so I just opened the box and I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased. I bought stuff that I thought would make a great fire kit, that in case I ever needed to start a fire for any reason, that it would help me. So I bought, first of all, a match case. Okay, this is for waterproof matches, and it's a waterproof case that will hold the matches and keep moisture out of it. So I think that's something that's really good. It does come with some matches, or at least it's supposed to. It's a match case and striker. It's waterproof. We'll open that and look at that in a second. I bought some quick light tinder. So in case you're outside and you can't find anything dry enough to start a fire, starting the fire is usually the hardest part. Then you can put bigger logs and bigger kindling wood on top of it to keep it going, so that helps you. Let's see what else is in here. I bought a fire sleeve. This is a waterproof sleeve to put like a Bic lighter in so that it'll keep it free from moisture, so it won't get contaminated with water, and that's always a good thing to have. Most important, I bought a fire rod. So you can use this to start a fire. I bought a fire starter refill for the fire rod, though I don't think I'll ever need it because you can get a gazillion strikes out of the one of these rods. But we'll have that just to put in our kit. And then I bought a box of stormproof matches. So these are always good to have. They're waterproof. You can light them when they're wet, and they're good to have if you need to start a fire. So let's take a look at each of these items. So here's a group shot of all the items I purchased that were in the box. The packaging from Exotac is really nice, and it's got a lot of detail about the product that's inside of it. Let's take a look at each item individually. First up from Exotac, we have the fire sleeve. The fire sleeve is a waterproof, reusable case that's compatible with a Bic Classic lighter. The case is waterproof down to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It will float for easy recovery in case you drop it into the water. It's got a soft rubber body for added grip, and there's a gas lock which allows you to keep your fingers away from the flame while you're using it. Next up, we have Match Cap XL. MatchCap XL is a waterproof case that can carry all sizes of matches, from standard kitchen strike-on-the-box matches to the extended length stormproof matches. With the dual striker design, you can use safety matches or strike anywhere matches. An O-ring keeps both the matches and the match striker dry. This case is waterproof to 1 meter. It has replaceable match strikers. It will hold matches up to 3.1 inches long. It's got a lightweight anodized aluminum body, and it holds up to 40 kitchen matches or 25 stormproof matches. Next up, we have the FireRod V2. The FireRod V2 incorporates a ferrocerium rod. Ferrocerium rods are a favorite fire starter among many outdoor and survival enthusiasts. Ferrocerium is a man-made metallic material that produces sparks in excess of 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit when it's scraped with a rough surface or a sharp edge. The FireRod V2 has a waterproof tinder storage capsule that's made from CNC machined aluminum. It's got a replaceable ferrocerium rod and has some quick light tinder included with it. Speaking of quick light tinder, here's the package from Exotac of quick light tinder that I purchased so I'd always have some when I needed it. The quick light is a high performance waterproof tinder designed to catch quickly and burn hot to get your fire going when you need it most. This tinder can be used with a fire starter, matches, or a lighter. It's easy to light, just spark it. It's waterproof treated, and it's got a 1 to 2 minute burn time. And last but not least, we have a box of stormproof matches. These matches could literally save your life if you ever needed to start a fire. They're windproof and waterproof, and they have a burn time of up to 15 seconds. No fire kit should be without a box of these. Let's get these packages open, and I'm going to show you how to put together a small compact kit that you can take with you when you're camping, hiking, keep in your vehicle, or in your bug-out bag. A small compact kit like this could very well save your life. Here's the MatchCap XL out of its package. It is made out of a beautiful anodized lightweight aluminum body. It's got 2 striker surfaces. The round one is an abrasive striker for strike anywhere matches, and the smoother one is for regular matches. It comes with an O-ring installed to keep water and moisture out, and in the bag it comes with 1 of each extra strikers and an extra O-ring. Here's the stormproof matches out of the package. This way you can see what they look like. They also come with some extra striker material. Let's put them inside the MatchCap XL and see what it looks like. Okay, I was able to get 21 matches into the MatchCap XL. I couldn't quite fit the 25 that it says you can, but that's okay because 21 is plenty of matches. You can also use the cap here for tinder or storing other small items. Here's the fire sleeve with the lighter installed. Even though the packaging states that it's made for a Bic Classic lighter, I put a Scripto lighter in there and it fits just fine. This is a welcome addition to your kit so you can keep your lighter dry. Here's the FireRod V2 out of the package. As you can see, you can store tinder in the cap, and the fire rod itself is removable and replaceable. The rod in the front is the secondary rod that I bought as a replacement rod, and I bought a shorter one in case I wanted a more compact fire starter. So here's the kit I've been telling you about. This is a Maxpedition Janus extension bag. This is a great item, and I have a few of these. I'm a big Maxpedition guy, and I have a lot of their bags. This Janus pack attaches with quick clips to the shoulder straps of most Maxpedition bags. Let me show you the inside. So here's the interior of the Janus pack. You can see on the left, I've got the MatchCap XL. On the right, we have the fire sleeve, and in the pocket behind it, we've got the Quick Light Tinder. On the other side, we've got the FireRod V2. It fits nicely in the pocket, and we still have tons of room for all kinds of other items. Two of the more important items for any kit is a flashlight and a knife. In a fire kit, a knife is very, very important because you need a hard edge to create a spark with the fire rod. So here's the Maxpedition Janus extension pocket. It's all loaded up with my Exotac fire gear, and it's sporting a Such gear patch. I'll put links to Such's channel, his Sensible Preppers channel, and all the Exotac fire items I purchased in the description below. Until next time, Skeeter out.